Okay, another update. Brian and I, my son, were able to get most of the frame put together, and now with a mobile welding table, we're able to shove it over and put it up on the lift. As I've mentioned before in other videos, the center console on the Diablo chassis is huge. So what I've done temporarily is I've just put in a couple supports in the back there and then added in some supports here. What I want to do next is actually move the chassis ahead on my welding table a little bit and then move it over here to the lift. And then I can get up on the lift, and then from there I'll put it on the rotisserie so we can do some final welding. Still actually waiting on some bids for all the sheet metal and the brackets and stuff like that that's being formed. I'll pull the welding table out of there and then we'll put it on the rotisserie. But as you can see, we've got most everything there. There's still a lot of places I need to weld up and do some finish welding on. But we are making progress. When we build these cars, we don't do it alone. And thanks again to the internet now, we've got lots of resources I didn't have when I was building my first Diablos. Charlie Strickland, Sterling Backus, Dario Diaz, Steiner, all these folks have helped me and continue to help me as I'm building this project. I will put some links to their websites or their Facebook pages below so you can check them out as well. So hopefully I can build this community up, that I can help some people, and I'm going to rely on other people to help me through this build. So thank you very much.